So hopefully this stays up. It's you guys are like balancing on my purse. So anyways, just got out of Goodwill. I got 4 shirts for $12. So personally, I think that's a pretty good bargain considering what I got. And yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and start. So first, I got this purple shirt. I'm just planning to do a DIY with this. It's just a basic purple tank, but I like the color and it was soft, so I'm going to be DIYing this. So and it was only like $2, so and then I got this shirt with like embroidery boats on it, just because I feel like this was like really aesthetic and it'll look really good with this necklace that I made that I have on right now. And yeah, I just thought that would look really good with the necklace I have on right now. And I got this red tank top, and yeah, it's got little it's like flows out at the bottom, and it like goes, it's not like a crop top or anything, it goes past to your hips, so that's really nice. And then this is probably my favorite thing I got, and it's like, I love it. It's just a plain yellow tank top, and I found this like first thing when I went in there. I was kind of hesitant at first, but now I love it. So it's just this yellow tank top, but then on the back it like crisscrosses, and it's like so pretty on, and I really like it, and it's perfect for really hot summer days. And yeah, that's my little Goodwill haul. It's not that much, but for $12, I think it's a good deal. Mama, say hi.
Hello. It was a very good deal.
So wait. So I guess I'll see you guys later.